Listen, I ain't even got to change my top. It's that deep. I'm talking to y'all in my 90. Now keep in mind, I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my ish, okay? What's up, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in. Here we are, nice and glistening, ash free, nothing on the fingers. Yeah, so today I am coming to you with a unit that I pray, that I hope, fingers crossed, I can wear 100% glueless. It's hot, okay? It's 108 degrees today. I don't feel like gluing nothing down, okay? Do consider subbing to the channel, share the video, so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Now, big thank you to CurlsCurls for sending out this unit. If you're interested in a playlist for their wigs, I will have it linked in the video. Click the eye after this review, baby. Alright, so I went ahead and washed this unit, and baby, look at these curls, baby. Are they not popping? Shapapa-ville, baby. So I have a couple of things out that I'm going to use for this unit. We're going to go ahead and get a first impression. Now keep in mind, I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my ish, okay? So your girl lost her diffuser. I don't know what happened to the piece that goes to this one, so it is taped. My apologies, but hey, it's still gonna work and do what it needs to do. Let's go ahead and get this first impression out the way. I almost don't want to take this off because god damn, I wrapped the hell out of that. We're gonna go ahead and take this off. Hair's already prepped. This does have lace on the back, which I'm gonna go ahead and cut. Ooh, okay, this is nice. I did get some conditioner on the thing here. I'm not worried about that. It shows so glow, baby. So let's look at the hairline real quick. You know what? I think I am. One moment, please. Okay, much better. So let's go ahead and look at the hairline on here. It looks okay. Straight out of the box, it's not bad. Y'all know how I am. I would definitely go in and pluck something. Pluck a little shine, you know, shine. But it looks pretty good. And cap fit is bomb. Oh my god, this is really comfortable. I think I'm going for a middle part this time. Let's see. Okay, she looks good. The knots aren't really noticeable. Once I put some powder on it, you won't see it. So, okay. Okay, CurlsCurls.
And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead, make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in, and when numbers up and never falling. My baby called me and said she need to stay. Be for real, 25 the other type of kid. Stop playing with me, you know that you here to stay. Stop playing with me, I'll be back home in 8. Know I'm on the go, but I'm not over you. Made you fall from home, but I'm so close to you. Gotta get that back like I'm supposed to do. Had to rush hurry up cause I'm overdue. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my cars
it's coming together nicely. Now, I am going to go ahead and use the Ebin Tinted Lace Spray. I'm also going to cut this unit on the mannequin head. I'm trying to gauge. If you guys want me to cut it on my head more often, let me know. If not, I'm just going to continue cutting on the mannequin head because it works like a dream for me. Okay?
Show ya. Show me the call you when you turn me on. Go when you tell me you want me down. I've done this before, you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have him all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give him this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya, show me the color way you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down.
Show me how you do that.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it up? And you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind.
Listen, I ain't even gotta change my top. It's that deep. I'm talking to y'all in my 90. She that cute. Baby. So what are we thinking, huh? Miss Curls Curls, this LORA unit, baby, in 18 inches. Listen, this has been on the YouTube blog for quite some time, and this is a tried and true style. Let me get a little bit closer so y'all can see this, okay? So just a breakdown on some of the items that are used for this installation and styling. Pretty much straightforward out of the pack. As I mentioned, you saw the first impression. I took nothing out of this hairline. It's pre-plucked to perfection. Baby, it blends like butter, baby. Roll that R. I did wash this unit with some black soap shampoo, and then I followed up with the Nexxus Humectress conditioner. Listen, when I tell you this is like my must-have, this is one of my must-haves. So this is linked as well as all the other products in my Amazon storefront, and I use this not only on my wigs, but I use it on my hair and my daughter's hair as well. Listen, this conditioner is the bee's knees, okay? So I did leave that conditioner in just so I could make sure that the ends kind of marinated, you know, kind of just marinated so they could be glistening for you in this final installation, baby. Did go ahead and follow up with the Pattern Stronghold Gel. Now I have a review on this. Definitely check it out. I did pick up the whole travel size line to see if it was worth it, and it was interesting, baby. That's all I'm gonna say. But this was one of my favorites out of the travel pack. It's the Stronghold Gel. I did apply that along the hairline. It just really holds it in place with a moisturized, wet look. So, baby, boom. I did cheat just a little bit, and I used a little bit of the Wig Grip by Olive Oil, Olive Oil, and I applied that along the parting space. Lately, I've been trying something new, like off camera, just kind of pulling out some hairs and not so much slicking them down, but just having them kind of front in the face. Because I feel like curly hair kind of does that naturally. It just comes in the face. It's not like swooped back or shellacked to your forehead. And I think I like this. I'm going to do this more often with just having it to the side. I think it comes out super, super cute. With these textures, you do have to tread lightly when you moisturize them. That is key. Once you moisturize them, keep your hands out of it. And then I followed up with the pick that I picked up by Pattern. And this is probably one of my favorite picks. I won't tell you how much I paid for it. Just know I think it's worth it, okay? And I use this instead of my fingers just to tease it, get it to that nice fluffy effect on both sides. And yeah, I think this came out beautifully, y'all. And I will say, I think, as I tease this just a little bit more, I don't know if I'm over, yeah, I think I'm over, like, the 18 inches. I think this would be beautiful, beautiful in a 16-inch or even a 12-inch. If you brought it up, so natural, baby. Oh, yeah. But this is cute, too. I'm digging the 18-inch. She's full. She's thick. This is a lot of hair. I do take back my statement about it being heavy. It's not really heavy on me right now. But summer approved. Early months, sis. Early months. We keep creeping into July and August. I don't know about y'all, but this will come off midday. But yeah, she's cute. She's fine. She's pretty. She's curly. Yeah. I dig her. So if you are interested in checking out the information for this unit by CurlsCurls, definitely hit up the direct link in the description box down below. And most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciated. Don't forget to sub, share, and slay accordingly, baby. Keep loving on yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.